How are you? Fine? Okay. Now, today we will learn our chapter number 8. You know what is the name of our chapter? The boy who cried wolf. Now, a boy had just left school. He was sent to take care of some sheep. Here we can say that boy has just left from school and her father and mother has given her one work. What was that work? That work is he has to take care of some sheep. Now he watched the sheep for a long time. When he was tired of watching them, he thought he would have some fun. The boy is very naughty. So, sitting under the tree, he was making one prank. He was thinking that let's make someone fool and have some fun. So he shouted, "Wolf, wolf," as loud he can. Sitting under the tree, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, anybody help, anybody help." Suddenly, the man in the fields heard him shout. There are some men working in the field and they heard a sound that a boy is crying, "Wolf, wolf." So, all the men ran and came near the field. They came running up with sticks to beat the wolf and drive it away. They were surprised when they did not see a wolf there. All the men left the work and all they came running up with sticks. Why they came with the sticks? To drive the wolf away. But what? They saw there was no wolf. The boy was just laughing like that. "Where is the wolf?" they asked. The men were very angry and they asked the boy, "Where is the wolf?" Now the boy said, "There is no wolf." Said the boy, "I called out for fun. It was good to see you all running up for nothing." The boy said with a smile that I called you for the fun only. There was no wolf. Now the men were angry and went away. Because the boy called like that only, all the men were very angry and they all went again in the field. Next day, the boy went out with the sheep again. It was the daily routine of the boy to take care of the sheep. Next day, what happened, you know? When he was watching them, a wolf came. The boy shouted, "Wolf, wolf," as loud as he could. Now, in real, the wolf came. He shouted very loudly, "Wolf, wolf." But what happened? That man said, "It is only that boy calling out for fun. He will not catch us this time." All the men were angry and the man said, "Okay, we will not go this time," because the boy was calling just for fun. So all the men were working in the field. No one went to help that boy. Now what happened? So no one came to drive the wolf away. The wolf went off with one of the sheep. What the wolf did? The wolf caught the one sheep. He took the one sheep and went in the jungle. Now the boy went home sad. He lost one of his sheep. He said to himself, "I will never again shout wolf, wolf when there is no wolf." Now the boy realized his mistake and he said to himself, "Then because of my mistake, I lost my one sheep. Now I will never shout wolf, wolf unnecessarily when there is no wolf." My dear children, so moral of the story is that no one believes a liar even if they are telling the truth. We should never speak lie. So because the boy spoke lie, he lost his one sheep. So we should always speak truth, and for our fun we should never speak lie. In this chapter, new words are wolf, wolf, drive, drive, away, away, drive away, surprised, surprise. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.